Hello everyone, I am Srikanth and welcome back to my channel Zeco Inspection Technology. In today's video, we will understand one of the most important materials used in construction industry, that is ordinary Portland cement, which is also called as OPC cement. There are many varieties of cement depending upon application of cement. Here I will cover the basic introduction about OPC, then the different types of OPC cement. We will also discuss the relevant Indian standards that ensure quality and compliance of OPC cement. You will also learn how cement is manufactured in short, along with important precautions to take while purchasing so that you are not cheated. Finally, I will share practical tips to help you identify duplicate or low quality cement available in market. So make sure you watch this video till the end. Now here we will see cement is a binding material that hardens with water and holds construction material together. Ordinary Portland cement is the most commonly used type of cement in construction industry. Everybody knows OPC cement. It is made by grinding clinker formed by heating limestone and clay at high temperatures along with a small amount of gypsum. When OPC cement is mixed with water, it undergoes a chemical reaction called hydration, which makes it set and harden over time, providing strength and durability to concrete. Concrete is a composite construction material made by combining cement with sand, gravel, and water. In simple terms, cement is just one ingredient, whereas concrete is the final strong stone like product used for building structures such as roads, buildings, and bridges. OPC is widely used for general construction work such as buildings, roads, bridges, and foundations due to its good strength, reliability, and availability. It is available in different grades like OPC 33, OPC 43, and OPC 53 grade, which indicates the compressive strength of the cement. Now here we can see the types of OPC cements. The types of OPC cements are mainly classified based on their compressive strength. The first grade is OPC 33 grade. This is the lowest strength grade of OPC cement and is generally used for basic or non-structural work, for plastering, masonry, and simple concrete work where high strength is not required. OPC 43 grade, this is the medium strength grade of OPC widely used in general construction such as residential buildings, RCC work, flooring, and plastering. It offers a good balance of strength and workability. And the last strength grade is OPC 53 grade. This is the highest strength grade of OPC and is used for high strength requirements like high rise buildings, bridges, highways, and heavy RCC structures. It gains strength faster compared to other grades. These grades are defined as per the Indian standard IS codes based on their compressive strength achieved after 28 days. Now here we will see some key Indian standards that govern ordinary Portland cement manufacturing and its quality parameters. IS 269 specification is for OPC 33 grade. IS 8112 is for OPC 43 grade and IS 12269 is for OPC 53 grade. Above specification gives requirements for OPC manufacturing, chemical composition, and physical properties of this grade, including their strength and quality requirements. Then the IS 4031 series, which you are here I have given the details from part 1 to part 11. So this series covers all physical and chemical testing methods such as fineness, consistency, soundness, setting time, and compressive strength. It also includes tests for tensile strength, heat of hydration, specific gravity, and drying shrinkage. Together, these standards ensure the cement's quality, strength, durability, and overall performance in construction. So friends, here now I will explain OPC cement manufacturing in short. Cement is manufactured by crushing and blending raw material like limestone, clay, and iron ore, which are then heated in a rotary kiln at around 1450 degrees Celsius to form a clinker. Clinker is a semi finished product formed during cement manufacturing. These grey stone like nodules contains key compound responsible for cement strength. Clinker is then ground with gypsum to produce final cement. The clinker is cooled mixed with a small amount of gypsum to control setting time and finally ground to produce final cement product. The difference between OPC 33, 43 and 53 grades mainly lies in fineness and composition, where higher grade like OPC 53 have finer grinding and better clinker quality, resulting in higher early strength. All grade comply with Indian standards set by the Bureau of Indian Standard, and finally the cement is tested, packed and dispatched for use. While purchasing cement, we always cheated by the traders and dealers locally available in the market. So here I am going to give you some tips to how to purchase this cement properly. To ensure purchasing good quality cement, always check that the bag carries a valid ISI mark from the Bureau of Indian Standard along with the correct IS code IS 269 or 8112 or 12269 depending on the cement grade. Verify the manufacturing date and ensure the cement is fresh, preferably less than 3 months old, as strength reduces over the time. Always buy from reputed brand cements and check that the bag is properly sealed without signs of tampering. Perform a simple field test by rubbing cement between your fingers. It should feel smooth and free from lumps, which indicates moisture damage. The color should be uniform grey with slight greenish shade, and the standard bag weight should be 50 kg. So random weighing can help us verifying this weight of the bag. Purchase only from authorized dealers and always take a proper bill or invoice for the authenticity. Also ensure the cement is stored properly on a raised platform and protected from moisture, not placed directly on the ground or exposed to the watery surface or any moisture where the moisture is there. Avoid unusually cheap deals as they often indicate duplicate or expired cement, and finally check batch details such as batch number, plant name and grade clearly printed on the bag for traceability. Now everyone's mind has one question: how to identify duplicate cement? So in one thing I would like to tell that we cannot fully confirm duplicate cement by visual check alone. Lab testing is the most reliable method. However, by some simple test we can identify whether it is duplicate or not. So while visual checks are alone cannot fully confirm duplicate test, we need to carry some simple tests. The first test is float test. We have to take a pinch of cement and should float on water for a few seconds before sinking immediately. Sinking may indicate adulteration. Physically, the cement should feel smooth, not gritty, free from lumps, and the bag should feel cool inside. It always better to check for ISI mark and valid CML license number from the Bureau of Indian Standard issued to the manufacturer, and inspect packaging quality, like original bags have clear printing while fake ones often shows faded colors, spelling mistakes or poor stitching. In addition, verify the manufacturing date, batch details for traceability, purchase only from authorized dealers and avoid usually cheap offers as they often indicate compromise or counterfeit cement. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching this video on OPC cement. I hope this video has made OPC cement topic simple and practical for you to understand and apply in your day-to-day life applications. If you found this useful, please like, share and subscribe to Zeco Inspection Technology. If you have any questions or topic, feel free to mention them in the comment section. Thank you once again for your time and continuous support.